Hi, is your neck like really tight? If so, this next video is going to share a myofascial technique that will be really helpful for that. You'll want a block and a space on the floor to do the work. I'll see you down there. Hi, I'm Jessica Lucy with Sun Breath Yoga, and I help people find joy and confidence in the way that they move. So let's get into the next phase in this myofascial release technique with the blocks. Your block, I'll show you before we get onto the ground, is going to go behind the head. So where your head and your neck meet, that's where the corner of the block is going to go. And in order to get into that space, your block is actually going to be at an angle. Now I'll show you what that looks like once we come on towards the floor. From this floor space, lift the head up a little bit, put your block at an angle. It could be a slight angle. And put the corner of the block into that space that I just showed you, where the head and the neck meet. And once you get there, begin rolling the head back and forth, left and right. If you notice that there's a space that feels a little tight, you can always stop on that space. Maybe nod your head up and down a little bit to give it like a little baby massage like that. And then to get into that space a little more deeply, exhale, draw the chin towards the chest, and to create just a little bit more space between the head and that neck area. And take deep breaths there. Feel free to go along the neck, both left and right sides, and stop and breathe whenever you feel those tight spaces. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like the video, definitely like, share it with other people who have tight necks too, and subscribe to the channel to get more of this content. And if you want to know more about what I do, you can always go to my website, sunbreathyoga.com. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.